Okay friends, next question. They given this question in 2018 SBI clerical means. Yes. Friends, check here. Again one is totally we are having 6 subjects: Hindi, English, Sociology, Mathematics, Physics and Reasoning are taught at a coaching institute. Live. Each subject was given a definite and continuous time slots. Yes. So friends, here they given a definite and continuous time slot. That means there is no gap between two consecutive subjects. Suppose if 11:30 if one subject is finished means then next subject will start by 11:30 itself. Yes, leave it. The next point is what? In a day, total 14 hours class was scheduled. Yes, total 14 hours class was scheduled. Now total duration is what? 14 hours. Leave it. Next point. A subject can start its slot from whole hour or half an hour only. Yes. So a subject can start its whole hour. That means it should be complete hour. Otherwise there is chance for half an hour. Yes. There is no chance for like 10 minutes, 5 minutes like that. There is no chance. It should be complete hour. Otherwise there is chance for half an hour. Here they give clue point also check here. That is subject can start from 4 p.m. or 4:30 p.m. but it cannot start from 4:13 p.m. or 4:03 p.m. Yes. So friends, till now they given information is what? Total we are having 6 subjects. Next, started a coaching institute. The total duration of 6 subjects is what? 14 hours. Next, each subject was having a definite and continuous time slot. Yes, leave it. Now take care. First point. Hindi class takes place from 11 a.m. to 12:30. Yes, friends, check here. Now take here first they given data. Hindi classes takes place from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Yes. Now next point. Only one class took place between Hindi and Physics. Yes. So friends, Hindi classes took place from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. That means our total duration of Hindi class is what? 1.5 hours. Now next point is what? Only one class took place between Hindi and Mathematics. Yes, see here. Between Hindi and Mathematics we are having only one class. Leave it. Next, time slot of Mathematics is twice the time slot of Hindi. Yes, friends, here. Time slot of Mathematics is twice the time slot of Hindi. Here, Hindi time slot is for 1.5 hours. But Mathematics is twice that of Hindi means now Mathematics is for 3 hours. Yes, why means 2 into 1.5. Total is for 3 hours. Yes, leave it. Next point is what? A Physics class starts from 5:30 p.m. Yes, now take here. Physics is starting at 5:30 p.m. Leave. Next, Sociology classes took place between Hindi and Physics. Sociology took place between Hindi and Physics. Next, but it did not take place immediately after or immediately before Physics. See here. Friends, here but qualify second here first percent. See here. Sociology class took place between Hindi and Physics. Here but remember here we are having 3 keywords is, next and next one is what? But these 3 qualifies here first percent. Here first one is what? Sociology classes took place between Hindi and Physics. But here but qualifies first person is what? Sociology. Sociology it did not take place immediately after or immediately before Physics. That means simply remember Sociology and Physics. These two are not immediates. Leave it. Next point is what? Total time slot of English and reasoning is 4.5. English plus reasoning. Total is what? 4.5 hours. Leave. Number of classes took place between reasoning and Physics. See here. Number of classes took place between reasoning and Physics is same as number of classes between sociology and reasoning. Yes. Sociology and reasoning. See here. Here given condition is what? Number of classes took place between reasoning and Physics is same as number of classes took place between reasoning and sociology. Yes. Time slot of sociology is 1 hour less than time slot of mathematics. Yes. Now, time slot of sociology is 1 hour less than time slot of mathematics. Mathematics is for 3 hours. Now, sociology is 1 hour less than means what? Here different is for 2 hours. Yes. So, friends, this is the given entire data. Friends, take your clue point is what? Number of class took place between reasoning Physics is same as between reasoning and sociology. Friends, for Physics and sociology, see here, for this entire statement, here common subject is what? Reasoning. Now take here, reasoning. Suppose friends, between reasoning and Physics, I will not take any subject. That means there is no subject means, reasoning and physics no subject means then reasoning and sociology also no subject. Then one possibility is what? Physics, reasoning, sociology. Otherwise, sociology, reasoning. Next one is what? Physics. Next, I will take one subject gap. Suppose I will take a reasoning, one subject gap, physics. Now one subject gap, sociology. Otherwise, reasoning, one subject gap, sociology, one subject gap, physics. Yes. Friends, totally here we are having four possibilities. See here. Between reasoning and physics, no subject means now reasoning and sociology also no subject. Physics, reasoning, sociology. Otherwise, sociology, reasoning, physics. Next possibility is between reasoning and physics, I will take one subject. Then reasoning, sociology also one subject. Physics, reasoning one, reasoning, sociology also one. That means physics one gap, reasoning one gap, sociology. Otherwise, sociology one gap, reasoning one gap, physics. Yes. Suppose is there a chance to take two subjects gap? No. How means? Reasoning one, two subject gap, physics, two subjects gap, sociology. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 subjects. No chance. Why means here we are having only 6 subjects. That means there chance to take no subject or there chance to take one subject. Yes, leave it. Now friends, check here. Here the given one is what? Sociology classes took place between Hindi and physics. Sociology, this one is what? Physics. Then this one is compulsory Hindi. Sociology, this one is what? Physics. Then this one is compulsory Hindi. This one is sociology. Here sociology took place between Hindi and physics. Now this one is what? Physics. Sociology, this one is what? Hindi. Now this one is physics. This one is sociology. This one is what? Hindi. Now sociology took place between Hindi and physics. Yes. Now sociology and physics are not immediate. Sociology and physics are not immediate. Yes. There is no chance to get immediate. Yes. Leave it. Now friends, check here. Suppose friends here the mention one is what? Physics is starting at 5:30. Friends, here I will eliminate possibilities. One check here how I am eliminating means. Physics is starting at 5:30. See here, physics is starting at 5:30 p.m. Now, suppose take here Hindi. Hindi starting is what? 11 a.m. Ending is what? 12:30 p.m. 11 a.m. Here this one is what? 12:30 p.m. Yes. Friends, check here 5:30 p.m. to here 5:30 p.m. to here 12:30 p.m. How many hours here we are having? See here. Here 5:30 to again here 6. Next one is what? Here 6:30. Next, that means it will become small. That means this possibility will not come. This possibility will not come. Why means here physics is starting at 5:30 p.m. Now Hindi is starting at here 11 a.m. and ending at here for 12:30 p.m. means here we will not get here total 14 hours. That means this one will not come. Otherwise, here in generally time is from a.m. to p.m. But here this one is what? p.m. Now this one is a.m. It will not possible. Leave. Now suppose Hindi is starting at 11 a.m. Suppose here physics is starting at 5:30 p.m. Here 11 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. hardly here we are having 6.5 hours like that. But total duration is what? Here total is what? 14 hours. That means for this possibility also no chance. Yes. Friends, one check here how I am eliminating possibility. See here. This possibility how I eliminated means physics is starting at 5:30 p.m. Now here this one is what? Hindi is ending at here 12:30 p.m. In generally time is from AM to PM, but here PM to AM. By using that point we can able to eliminate. Otherwise, here 5:30 to here 12:30 PM. 5:30 PM to 12:30 PM. If you are going to count hours means it will become more. But our total duration is what? Only 14 hours class was scheduled. Then for this possibility, no chance. Now go for this one. Here physics is starting at 5:30 PM. Here Hindi is starting at 11 AM. In general time is from AM to PM, but here they give PM to AM means for this possibility also will not come. Now we are having only this possibility. See here. Now, if you know about this one 11, but our requirement is what? Between Hindi and mathematics we are having one subject. Now friends, check here. Hindi this side no Hindi one subject, mathematics. Otherwise Hindi one subject one is what? Mathematics. This side no chance to take here this side. Why means here reasoning and sociology no class, reasoning and physics also no class. Suppose friends here if I will take this one is Hindi. Hindi is starting at 11, physics is starting at here 5:30. But we are going to get total hardly 6.5 hours. But our requirement is for total 14 hours. That means starting Hindi no chance. Now take this one is what? Maths. This one is maths. This one is compulsory Hindi. Now remaining is what? English. Yes. Now friends, check here. Here final our arrangement is what? Maths, next English, Hindi, sociology, reasoning and physics. Now friends, check here. Now take here time slots. Hindi is starting at 11 a.m. and ending at 12:30 p.m. Yes, ending at 12:30 p.m. Physics is starting at 5:30 p.m. Yes. Hindi is for total 1.5 hour. Now, time slot of sociology is 1 hour less than time slot of mathematics. Mathematics is for 3 hours means now sociology is for 2 hours. Now, Hindi is ending at 12:30. Then sociology is starting at here 12:30. Here 2 hours means what? 1:30. This one is for 2:30. Yes. Now, this one is for total 2 hours. Sociology ending is for 2:30 p.m. Now, reasoning starting is for 2:30 p.m. Physics is starting at 5:30 p.m. means now reasoning is ending at 5:30 p.m. Yes, that means here reasoning is for 3 hours. Reasoning is for 3 hours means we know English plus reasoning total is what? 4.5 hours. Reasoning is 3 hours means now English is for 1.5 hour. Yes, 1.5 hour. Yes. Now come to here before. Now Hindi is starting at 11 a.m. Then English is ending at here 11 a.m. 1.5 hour means then English is starting at 9:30 a.m. Now mathematics is for total 3 hours. Now this one is starting is 9:30 means maths ending is what? 9:30 p.m. Then maths starting is what? 6:30 p.m. Why means total is what? 3 hours. Friends, the given one is what? Total 14 hours class was scheduled. Now 3 hours, 1.5. Total is what? Here 3, 6, 8. Next one is what? Here 11 hours. Now remaining is what? 3 hours. Yes. Now physics is starting at 5:30. Now ending at 8:30 p.m. Yes. Total 14 hours class was scheduled. Yes. So friend, this is the question they given in 2018 SBI clerical mains. Yes. Friends, here entire arrangement is easy and once if you are able to analyze these possibilities. Yes.